Sorry, excuse me. Can I tell you something very quickly?
Depends what it is.
Okay, I just saw you as I was grabbing some sushi.
Yeah.
And I just thought you looked really nice.
Okay.
You look very like someone who is in the arts.
Yeah, I'm trained to be an architect.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't think it would be architect. I thought it'd be a dancer or something.
I used to be a dancer.
Okay.
I used to be in the Royal Ballet a long time ago.
So you've given up on it now?
Yeah, kind of. I don't really do it anymore. Yeah, I used to do it up until the age of 18, and then I was going to move in London and go to Pineapple, but I didn't anymore. So
why not?
I'm going to move down to Canterbury to do my architecture degree. So
that's going to take so long.
No, it's not. I've only got 2 years left to do. So yeah.
But how long is it, like the course?
7 years. I've done 5 years.
Fuck man, it's crazy.
Yeah. Why'd you ask anyway?
You know, it's interesting to get to know people.
Yeah. What do you do?
I work in Soho, editing films.
Okay, right.
Yeah. So.
What company do you work for?
Good job. Do you know IMCA?
IMCA. No, I can't say
It's like our father company, but so we're a subsidiary of them. But they they own most of. Why do you work in the industry?
No, I haven't done any film stuff. No, so just architecture stuff and like art installations. An installation.
So what brings you down into London?
I just quit my architecture job. So before I go back to uni, because it was just driving me mad. So I thought I'd have a couple of weeks off, and then picked up some stuff. Thought I'd go shopping a bit.
What was the architecture job? Like an internship?
Yeah, unpaid though. I've been doing unpaid internships for 2 years now, so I just thought, you know what, screw it. I'm just going to go and get a bar job for a bit, save up some cash.
Yeah, have a bit of fun as well.
Yeah, like, you know, it was fun, but... You know,
really? It was fun?
Yeah, it was fun for a bit, but then when you don't get paid, things stop becoming fun, don't they, really? When you don't get paid, so... Yeah,
money is a big motivation in life.
well, the thing is, I liked it. Well, I wouldn't have said yes to it if I didn't want it, so I said yes to it and did it for a year, and then I did another one for a year, and now I just kind of don't want to do it anymore. So.
Well, you know what? I was on my way to grab a coffee quickly.
Yeah.
Do you have 10 minutes?
Yeah, you want?
All right,
Yeah, I'm not doing anything.
Have you, do you go into Soho much, or?
I used to, because I used to go with a guy that works in the pub in Soho.
Okay.
Yeah. So he used to work at, you know.
I've heard of that.
It's on like, and then, yeah, just like on the little bit outside the big.
Yeah.
So,
Near the Curzon Cinema.
What'd you say?
Curzon Cinema is there?
I don't know.
Okay.
I was walking around Soho now because there's, you know, the New Era shop. I can't remember where it is, and I know it's in Soho somewhere.
Oh yeah.
But I was just like wandering around looking for it.
Oh no, I know where it is. Yeah, it's all the way. If you go, you know that road there. Oh, you walk past it.
No, I knew it was around here somewhere.
Have you tried bubble tea?
No.
I've not, but I've heard a lot about it. It's like they're doing
Wow.
new age experiments with tea.
What is that? Is it baked beans?
I have no idea.
Strawberry popping.
So you choose a tea type. How to choose a tea type? Pick flavour. Jelly.
Wow. I like jelly.
Yeah. My mates keep talking to me about it, so I've got to try it.
Okay. Why not?
I think this is our one.
You get free rock as well.
Wow. Those guys are literally ordering the shop. Just got bags of bubble tea.
Do you reckon it's really like popular in Taiwan?
at these straws. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you.
Oh, look at it. It's got little baubles in the arm. That's either going to be really nice or really disgusting.
Perfect. Oh, that's nice. No, I don't. Such an Asian thing, though. Bubble tea, bubble tea.
Multicolored bubble tea. I bet it's got like so many like additives in it, like rot your brain if you don't drink it.
Oh, these ones are good.
What, the coffee bits?
They're good.
I'm not really a coffee drinker.
Oh, I love
I
coffee.
drink quite a lot of Coke though, like throughout the day. I'm doing a roaring cake.
Well, you ordered before her. What was your one? Passion fruit.
No jelly balls.
So what? You just had passion fruit, and that's it. You literally just had that.
Jelly balls scared me. Like, this is cool.
The
What
bubble
does it
tea.
sound like? Olive oil.
It's like gummy bears. Do you want to have some? It's like gummy bears. You should go around and tell her.
She may lose her hand. Because what happens is, when your hand gets burned, there's the skin around the top. The skin around the top. So they had to cut something whilst she was there. So this is all stopped. Pitch black. So 5 days and leaves.
I have my coconut. Yeah, I've got it.
Yeah, so basically, then she went like that.
I'm actually one of the episodes where he got
Is it? Can you taste the passion fruit?
I can't work out what flavour my balls are though. They just taste.
Have you seen a place called Yog? Yog. It's the same thing, but it's called Yog and it's designed much better. But this is pretty good.
I like the ceiling. I like It's art as well. It's art.
So there's an artist out there who just specialises in that?
It's been to a shop. There's like a little Japanese shop along there. And it's got there's loads of stuff. It's got like comic books and loads of stuff. It's got like a vinyl thing on my wall. Have you on it? It's cool. So what kind of movies do you make?
What I edit, really. So I deal with all kinds. At the moment we're editing a documentary about people who give up their jobs and go and live in countryside.
In London?
Anywhere, like in England. There's this couple who used to work in the centre of Birmingham, and they both just went, sod this. But then the relationship didn't survive the harsh terrains.
My sister did that. My sister and her fiance both used to work in London. Just gave up. Now they live in Brightling. Like East Sussex. They live in a big farmhouse.
Yeah.
And they have chickens.
Yeah.
And they used to. My sister used to work for a big magazine in London, and her fiance used to. He used to work for like a big like signage company that did like all like the signage like in like in West Yorkshire, like really boring shit, like really boring stuff, but got paid a lot of money for it. It's like every sign that he managed to sell to a shopping centre, he got like a massive profit.
Oh no.
Sounds boring, but now he's like a woodland management person, like completely random.
A woodland manager.
He like manages all the, he has to like monitor all the animals in the woodland,
Yeah.
and then make sure that none of them like die out. So if there's like too many badgers, he has to like put in measures into place to kill off some badgers, so that all the rabbits don't die, or like I don't know, the badgers eat rabbits.
Heard about that. There's been a lot of badger culling recently. I've got to cull those badgers.
I'm liking these gummy bits. I'm glad I got gummy bits. Yeah.
The gummy bits are good.
Yeah.
They're good. Got to go back to work now.
Where do you work?
Just off parallel to this road.
Alright. Do you know where that hat shop is?
Hat shop.
The new era shop. Is it along here?
Oh yeah. It's along. Do you know where Whole Foods is? Okay, it's pretty easy. If you
And back along that road, and then you turn back that way.
basically where Snog is,
Yeah.
don't keep going further.
Yeah.
Take a right at Snog. Keep going. But it's on the other side to what Snog is. So
Okay.
down that road, but on the other side, and it's about a good
It's on its own little road
um, kind of. But it's part. You'll see a Whole Foods, a big supermarket, but just keep going,
Yeah.
and you'll see it. It's on this other side. So it's on our side if you keep going. But yeah, if you're around later, you can go for. I finish work around 7.
Might be around. Let me see.
I'll text you.
I don't
see
have
if
my
you
phone
are.
on me. I'm not even lying. I'm seriously not even lying. I
Okay.
don't have my mobile on
Oh
me.
my god.
That's why I'm wandering around aimlessly, because I was going to pick up these sheets and stuff. I don't have my mobile on me. That's seriously don't. You can have my number, but
Well-
actually, can you ring it to actually see if it is in where it's like in somewhere?
All right.
If something is at home, it's 077. That and my sunglasses that I got bags this morning. I think they still remember, but they ring. My dad might pick up if it's at
It's
home.
ringing. It's not on you.
Yeah.
I'll put it
I'll
on.
back up in London Monday maybe. Pick up
We'll
some
do
more
it.
junk and go shopping a bit more. Yeah. Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I know, so,
How
yeah,
do I
give me a
spell
text.
your?
Oh,
Really? That's your.
yeah.
That's a nice nail, just no.
What's your name?
Yeah, it's YAD. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you.
Well, drop for me and then I'll know your numbers.
Will do. Take care.
Nice to meet
Bye.
you.